My name is Michelle Savard. I'm the co-owner of the venue at Wilmington Brewing Company. Our new building, the venue is right beside our brewery next door, and we're using it for our brand new taproom space. My husband and I worked with our architect and builder to design the venue from the ground up. It's located at 800 South Carr Avenue in the middle of Wilmington, and it's on a really strange triangular lot. So we wanted to make that lot work, and we picked Allied steel because it's the most spacious, high-ceiling design we could get on the limited amount of space that we had. We worked with our builder and architect to choose Allied steel, and that was really our first step in committing to this process that we've been planning for years. So I remember what designs we could choose from, and that kind of helped us narrow down the direction we were going to take with the venue. We chose a steel building because aesthetically sitting next to our brewery that's covered in stainless steel and all these tanks, it just seemed like the right fit to be next door. Our architect at Dogwood Architecture and our builder at Christopher Building Company got together to create this 5,000 square foot space with as much open wall and parking lot that we could get. And I think they chose Allied because they were just easy to work with in a timely manner, and they used the materials that they wanted, and we just trusted their expertise and went along with that. Our experience working with Ally was great, but I remember seeing the drawings and sending the deposit, and that they were very excited for us because we're, I guess, still young entrepreneurs. So they made us feel comfortable in taking that next step towards a brand new building. I would recommend Allied to a friend or colleague. They did it in a timely manner in a time where nothing was on time, and we were just really happy with the outcome.